सो दिस इज योर स्पेशियस लिविंग रूम और आप देख सकते हो आपको एल शेप में आपका किचन प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाएगा. दिस इज अवर सेकंड स्पेशियस मास्टर बेडरूम. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हाउसी. माई सेल्फ ऐश्वर्या एंड टुडे आई विल बी गिविंग यू ओवरव्यू ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट Sun Park West by Sun Group located in Shela, Ahmedabad. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location and right behind me is the actual site. And now let me show you the neighborhood. So the road of the left hand side leads you to Orchard Valley Road and right hand side leads you to Guma Road. So now before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housy is. So Housy is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, then your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads you to endless calling. But here in Housy, you are directly connected with the developer because here listings are done by developers and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housy. First one is project overview. This project is being developed on 11.03 acres of land parcel featuring 6 towers with 2 basements plus ground floor plus 14 floors having 2 and 3 BHK premium residences. Now coming to the location part, this project is located opposite Orchard Valley, Shela, Ahmedabad with the distance of Shela Circle 950 meter, Club 07 2 km and Apollo International School 2.8 km. Here you get access to 10 plus luxurious amenities like gym, indoor games, jogging track, event lawn, clubhouse and many more. So now I'm giving you a tour of sample flat of 3 BHK with the square feet area of 1527. So let's start. So this is your entrance and here you get this wooden door and as you can see they have given this spacious vestibule area और ये वॉल पे आप इस तरीके से आपको डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो या फिर कोई भी टाइप की फिगर रख सकते हो, आप चाहे वैसे इसको डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो. एंड नाउ लेट मी शो यू द लिविंग रूम. सो दिस इज़ योर स्पेशियस लिविंग रूम और आप देख सकते हो ये इतना स्पेशियस है जहाँ पे आप वॉकेबल स्पेस आपको मिल जा रहा है. यू कैन रोम फ्रीली इन दिस लिविंग रूम और आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे सोफ़ा सेट को ऐसे सेट किया हुआ है. जस्ट द सेम वे यू कैन सेट योर सोफ़ास विद द सेंटर टेबल एंड सोफ़ास के बाद भी आपको यहाँ पे इतनी स्पेस मिल जा रही है, आप अपने तरीके से इसको डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो. यू कैन सेट अ बुक रैक और द एक्स्ट्रा चेयर just like this. Now let me show you a TV unit area. On this side of wall, you can set TV unit just like this. And now let me show you a balcony. So this is your balcony, which is very spacious. Just have a look. It is very spacious and ventilated, and you can also set a chair and table just like this. You can sit with your family in the evening time. Now let me show you a kitchen area. So this is your kitchen space and as you can see, this kitchen is divided into 2 parts. Here you can see that set your dining space here and easily 4 and 5 people can sit here and dine together. And now let me show you the kitchen space. So जैसे आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे आपको L शेप में आपका किचन प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाएगा और just the same way you can make lower cabinets and upper cabinets just like this. और किचन इतना स्पेशियस है कि आराम से 2 लोग यहाँ पे वर्क कर सकते हैं. और जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो ये कॉर्नर में आपको फ्रिज का पॉइंट मिल जा रहा है एंड here you can set your fridge. Now let me show you a wash yard. So this is your wash yard. It's very spacious and they have given a washing machine point also. So now let me show you a bedroom area. But before that, let me tell you what is the right of home buyers. So if you are planning to buy a home in Ahmedabad, then I have a strong recommendations for you. Make sure to watch Housy's Rights of Home Buyer series. Many home buyers are not even aware of their legal rights. If after possession you face issues such as wall leakages, construction defects, then what is the builder's liability? And most importantly, what legal rights do you have as a home buyer? we have explained all these important topics in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I have strong recommendation to watch this series at least once. You can click on the link to the series in the I button above and also in the description below. So now let me show you a common bedroom. So this is your common bedroom, जिसको आप children room में भी convert कर सकते हो, just like this. As you can see, the bed has set like this here, which is perfect for a kid. And on this side of wall, you can make the wardrobe for your child, and you can design just like this. And on this side of wall, as you can see, they have made this study table kind of concept. You can also make like this. Here you can make a rack for your children, and then they can set the books and their toys. So this is how you can. And now let me show you a common washroom. So this is your common washroom, and as you can see, it is spacious enough, and you get this antiseptic tiles and modern fittings. So now let me show you our first master bedroom. So this is our first master bedroom, and it is very spacious. Then you can walk around the bedroom very freely, and as you can see, the bed has set already, and just the same way you can set your bed. And on this side of wall you can set your wardrobes just like this. And as you can see, the window has given in this room, so you get your sunlight and it is fully ventilated. So now let me show you our attached bathroom. Bathroom is very spacious, and you get the same antiseptic tiles and modern fittings in this bathroom area too. So now let me show you our second master bedroom. But before we move further, let me introduce you with the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with sample flat videos and actual flat videos, with pros and cons of the project, payment schemes and EMI schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are under Housey.com itself. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself for free and book a free site visit now. So now let me show you our second master bedroom. So this is our second spacious master bedroom. As you can see, it is very big and spacious, and here you can set your bed just like this in a center, and on this side of wall you can set your wardrobe just like this. You can set a big wardrobe here, and here you can make side tables or a dressing table also. And here on this side of wall, if you want to set or not, just like this, you can set TV unit also. And as you can see, there is a huge window in this master bedroom. Now let me show you the attached washroom area. And this is your attached washroom, and here you get antiseptic tiles and modern fittings. So everyone, this was the complete sample flat tour of 3 BHK of the project Sun Park West by Sun Group, located in Shela, Ahmedabad. If you are looking for more details of this project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.